In 1919 Boston, a massive molasses tank burst, sending a sticky wave through the north end that crushed carts and pedestrians. The disaster revealed dangerous safety gaps and the clash between industry power and a community demanding accountability across courts. Historians juxtapose archival testimony with a staged reenactment of brave firefighters and dockworkers battling the flood worldwide. The legal battles and reforms that followed reshaped urban safety, labor rights, and emergency planning for decades. Through expert interviews and vivid reenactments, the episode shows how one syrupy catastrophe redirected public policy.